Yep, new bike in stock. I had it running, so I thought I'd do the quick video. Just turn these lights off. So yeah, what you heard running there was the 1967, I think it is. Hold on one second. I'm all over the place this morning. So anyway, welcome to Chris on Motorcycles and welcome to the channel. I'm not normally this disorganised, folks. It's just this morning we're a bit trying to rush around a little bit too much. So let's get back to the job in hand. Welcome to Chris on Motorcycles in Doncaster and welcome to the channel. If you haven't already liked and subscribed to the channel, please do so. I'm a small channel and I do appreciate it. What have I got for you today? Well, probably needs very little introduction really. BSA Bantam D10 175cc, 1967. Starts and runs lovely. I've just had it running. I thought I'd video it to introduce. Ticks over nicely. Not much more than that really, so we'll just do a steady walk around the bike. So like I say, 1967. It's had a recent bit of an overhaul, service, new gaskets, etc. in recent times, and just a lovely little 175. Oh man, I'm out of breath. Don't know what I've been doing this morning, folks. Been rushing around a little bit too much. Wasn't prepared and organised for this video. Never am. But no, what a nice little bit of kit. If you're entry level into classic bike collecting or ownership, these are a great bike to get into. You can get all the parts, everything's readily available. There's lots of communities out there. Some of the owners clubs are fantastic with these, with the Bantams. But no, a nice overall bit of kit. So we can offer nationwide or international delivery if required. If you've got any questions on the bike, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come down and look at this bike in person, more than welcome. I've got about 100 classics in stock. Come on down. If you're coming to look at something specific, always give me a heads up. You come in, I can let you know the bike is still available in stock. So yeah, there you have it. We started a bit rough. We found us feet eventually, folks. I'm going to do a video later. I want to have a chat with all you guys out there about where we go from here. So hopefully I'll see you guys later. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe. That is the 1967 BSA Bantam D10 175 in stock today. Starts and runs lovely. Had a recent bit of an overhaul. Any questions, give us a shout. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Speak to you later. Cheers.